which Scottish pudding is made of sheep's offals. Haggis. Which subgroup of plants does not have a well-differentiated body? Thallophyta. Thallophyta is a group of plants that lack a true root, stem, or leaves. Their plant body is a simple and differentiated structure called a thallus. This group includes algae, fungi, and lichens, which theory states that all living things are made of cells. Cell theory. Cell theory is a fundamental concept in biology. Which type of gladiator would have carried a heavy net and a trident? Retiarius.
Who invented and built the world's first successful airplane?
Orville and Wilbur Wright. They're more known as the Wright brothers.
You are awesome. See you on the next video.